I want to thank the Almighty God, my late parents, my teachers, and my family for making me see this day. Happy Makar Sankranti, Pongal, and happy birthday, the Foundation Day, to all the ILBS faculty and staff. Honorable Lieutenant Governor, respected Shri Bajal, a scholar and administrator par excellence with endless feathers in his cap. Thanks, sir, for blessing the Liver Institute and through you, the entire medical and scientific community. Your gracing the ILBS would be cherished for long, and we do hope we can have you physically visit ILBS sometimes in future. Honorable and our most popular Chief Minister, Shri Kejriwal sir, Delhi dotes on you, they love you. And we are indeed privileged to be part of your big vision of Delhi and having mentored us and having unflinching faith in ILBS. Thank you for gracing us, sir. Thanks to our own Honorable Health Minister, Shri Satyendra Jain ji, a man who never rests, has a drawing board and targets, and clarity on finished products, with incentives and disincentives. Sir, thanks for being with us as always today. Thank you, sir. Thanks also to our worthy chairman, Shri Vijay Devji, Chief Secretary Delhi and Chairperson ILBS for his guidance and support, and our Principal Secretary Health, Shri Vikram Duttji, who both could not, due to some reasons, join us. And thanks for accepting on a short note Shri Amit Singlaji to grace the function on behalf of GNCTD. Most welcome, sir, to this ILBS Inauguration Foundation Day. I would also like to thank our innumerable well-wishers, our members of the Governing Council, respected members of the society, and friends from media and faculty and staff. We started at 8:45 to felicitate those who had completed 10 years or more. Sir, we acknowledge our patients as a vital component of our efforts. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, ILBS outpatient and inpatient services never stopped for even one day. ILBS saw 76,634 patients, had 7,516 emergencies. We had emergency admissions 11,000 and daycare admissions of 26,770. ILBS never stopped, sir. All our running teams and the rapid response teams were always active, and they lunged the distance to destination with unparalleled pace and commitment. Thanks to ILBS staff. Sir, ILBS was invited to lead the hospital preparedness for Delhi hospitals by the Honorable Chief Minister on March 21st, the first such initiative by any state government. We submitted 3 reports till May 31 and hope they formed the roots for readiness, working up the worst scenario of up to 15,000 new cases per day. The most advanced biosafety level 3 lab at ILBS with Dr. Ekta and Ashu leading work 24/7, all Sundays and all holidays to do up to 1,000 RT-PCR tests per day. And they have done by now more than 100,000 tests till now. The RAT testing team led by Dr. Vikas and Pratibha having done more than 85,000 tests, nearly 1,000 tests per day. They have also done major work for 4 previous sero surveys, and we are happy to now take the responsibility given by Honorable Health Minister of doing all 30,000 sero survey samples for the ongoing sero survey, nearly 3,000 tests per day. Thanks to scores of doctors, nurses, nursing students, and skilled technicians who worked long hours in labs wearing PPE kits, kept the ILBS in the forefront of war against corona. A Dev Tulli work by all these colleagues. Many of them got infected as well during those tough days. उनके लिए सर आपकी इजाज़त से एक छोटा सा कपलेट। मुश्किलें भी आदमी को देख के असर दिखाती हैं, मुश्किलें भी आदमी को देख के असर दिखाती हैं, किसी को मजबूर तो किसी को मजबूत बनाती हैं। These difficult times made ILBS staff stronger, sir. With the guidance and support of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Kejriwal, ILBS was able to set up in just 3 days the first plasma bank in the country. And with leadership of Dr. Meenu and Ashish, with 14 plasmapheresis units, it was an all-out war to win and have no deaths. And the plasma bank worked 24/7 on all days, and it has till now received more than 4,400 donations and have issued more than 5,000 plasma units to COVID patients. Thank you, sir, for making us responsible, Honorable CM. Our liver transplant program continued to serve under leadership of Dr. Pamecha, and the institute achieved the unique milestone of 700 liver transplants last year, the first in any government institute in the country. Now we have crossed 730. In last 3 days, 4 liver transplants in emergencies have been conducted, sir. Our liver cancer care, the largest number of patients in the country, also remain uninterrupted, sir. The liver emergency surged, as I told you, from all over Delhi during the pandemic to make ILBS set up the first liver COVID ward in the country, where till now nearly 380 patients with liver diseases or after liver transplant have been admitted. ILBS also trained several thousand nurses and technicians all across the country for COVID care. Sir, in its endeavor for outreach, ILBS requested Honorable Deputy CM to launch the hepatitis education program in his school, the Happy School Phase 2, for Delhi on Hepatitis Day, December 4. Through this, ILBS plans to train all 8,000 teachers and 80,000 students from class 7 to 12 in the GNCTD on hepatitis. ILBS was also patronized by the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla, on the World Hepatitis Day, July 28th, when, under the Empathy campaign, Empowering People Against Hepatitis, the program was held in the Parliament of India, with several MPs pledging to keep their livers safe. Sir, this growth is a testimony to the hard work done by the team ILBS, which, unlike any other government institute, works full 6 days in a week, all 52 weeks, with only 8 gadgeted holidays. Thanks to ILBS staff. Sir, ILBS is a deemed to be university, the only one dedicated to liver in the world. In the past 1 year, the research output per faculty at ILBS has phenomenally grown and is comparable to, if not better than, the most premier institute in the country. ILBS pass-outs are most sought after and well placed. ILBS has now 261 alumni and at present has 131 students, with 32 doing PhD in liver diseases and with 6 international trainees in the first quarter of the year. Sir, the faculty and the students have won nearly all major awards in national and international conferences. Despite COVID, the faculty could garner 15 new research grants totaling 11 crores from different funding agencies. Our young faculty and students earned huge laurels at the American Liver Meeting, the largest meeting in the world in liver. Dr. Sukriti earned the Chewing Family Memorial Award. Dr. Tripathi and Dr. Rakesh earned the International Early Career Award at this prestigious institute. And for the 6th year in a row, ILBS stood as number 1 or 2 as the largest group in this most prestigious liver meeting in Americas. For its transdisciplinary learnings, ILBS announced Liver Gyan Awards, where several IITs have put joint projects. ILBS signed MOUs with several institutes including IIT Delhi, IGIB, Nigrim Assam, Tata Consultancy and Ayush Ministry have filed 5 patents thanks to a visionary dean, Professor Vijay, 4 associate deans and an enthusiastic academic cell and an outstanding academic council and most robust institutional ethics committee. ILBS organized 13 e-conferences in last year, scores of webinars by the IT team led by Rajneesh. The ILBS started an Asian Pacific School of Liver Diseases where we are reaching out to 700 to 1,000 members across Asia, 83 countries every month, and this is the most popular liver program and is attended by people from all countries. Umesh Kapil, our professor of epidemiology, was listed amongst the top 2% in the world ranking of Indian scientists in the Department of Pediatrics by University of Stanford. Most humbly, myself was also placed in the top 2% of global ranking by the Stanford Group and was also on the top amongst all Indian gastroenterologists and hepatologists in research and clinical outputs in last 20 years. Sir, we at ILBS believe in the authority of an idea and not in the idea of an authority. We ask people to choose their mountain and to climb and support them. We encourage them to report errors. We want them to fall in love with their work, try and explore. ILBS staff and students have immense talents which were showcased in sports and Dawat-e Jigar. You would really, sir, love, Honorable Lieutenant Governor, this Dawat-e Jigar. Malpuas and rabdis from Lucknow put in a different liver-friendly platter. This was the delight of the ears. The team ILBS has shown transparent and flawless administration led by Dr. Anil Agarwal, most efficient hospital operations led by Dr. Seema Alam and Dr. Deepak, HR and security by Colonel Ram, and exemplary and near zero error engineering and maintenance by Ved. All these are a vardhan to ILBS. ILBS saw homecoming of Dr. Chitranshu and Dr. Namita, who had gone into private sector and came back to ILBS. And we inducted new people in our arms, new teachers, Professor Deepak Tempe, Dr. Ajay, Dr. Nahid, Dr. Shivali, Dr. Surbi, and Dr. Abhishek. Sir, ILBS completed its first decennial, first 10 years last year. In its second decade, ILBS has a new vision of the world. Hepitome, 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 a newly synthesized word symbolizing liver as the epitome of health and happiness. It symbolizes Yakramrit. Yakrat is Amrit. We commit to take quantum leaps to make livers of millions of people healthy around the world. A healthy liver, a healthy world. Sir, in the same saga, Makar Sankranti Day is so special. It is a day of offerings. It's a day of giving. One part of the ILBS mission would therefore be from Annadan to Angadan. We want to say on Makar Sankranti, अन्नदान से ज़्यादा अंगदान को महत्व दें. Or I think every year we would like to celebrate this day also an Angadan day. I do hope our leadership would support us in this noble cause and lead from front. I have full faith that this can be a movement, Annadan se Angadan. Honorable Lieutenant Governor Sir, Honorable CM Sir, we also urge you to bear with our shortcomings. We are human beings. We make many mistakes. If we have done any in our own way of working, please pardon us. But do bless ILBS on this Makar Sankranti and Pongal festival day, so that each one of the faculty, each one of the staff can say genuinely, Gar Firdaus bar ruए e zaminast, hami nast, o hami nast, o hami nast. Thank you for sparing time, sir, and hope we can have a real program of all of you visiting ILBS in future. Thank you, sir.